Hi, I'm Jihyung from Gauss Labs. We published our new paper, SiliconBASE Multitask Baseline Model for Semiconductor Metrology and Inspection. We developed a new method on object detection and segmentation for image metrology. It can detect and localize objects without extensive training and data annotations in an unsupervised manner. We evaluated our methods under various image conditions like blur or noise and compared it to supervised learning methods like mask RCNN. We showed strong generalization capability by achieving meaningful results on both synthesized datasets and unseen real images. To learn more, please check out our website. Thank you.